What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I want to talk about how to get referrals with and MyAdsUp. And basically, what MyAdsUp is, it's a pay-to-click site, and this is a place where you can buy advertisement, and you can basically make 54 cents off of the dollar that you spent on your advertising, but it's no guarantee because this is you're buying advertising. That's the product here. So, but I'm gonna show you how you can get yourself some referrals because this just launched last night, and I put $5 in here, and so far I just click because you have to click ads. I had to click 5 bonus ads, and I had to click 20 of these paid ads, and you get a certain amount for each click you do. And that's basically, let me show you what I'm talking about. And this down here is for the 5 ads. You get a certain amount of points. I was in level 2, but when your points start dropping down, then you drop down in the groups. And I'll show you what the groups are. Basically what the groups are. I was in group 2, but now I'm in group 1, and basically it shows you how much you're earning in each group, depending on how many bonus ad points you have, and it tells you how many ads you have to click and all that. But this is basically how much you can earn, the potential how much you earn, depending on how hard you work. But I just want to show you this, how you earn. And this is what you earn daily when you click your ads. But I'm gonna show you a site where you can promote this for cheap, with some cheap traffic. And this is called AirHits. And you can come over here and you go to buy ad networks. And you come in here, you write out your campaign, and you're gonna do image ads. And you come back over here and hit promotion, and you can grab one of these banners. And the banner you're looking for is the 468. And you grab the link here, and you bring it over here, and you can advertise for about $5 over here. 5, 6, low is $5, and you can put your banner over here, and you want to show everywhere because this opportunity is global. And you come here, and it usually takes like 24 hours before for it to get approved. Then once it get approved, then they'll start showing your ad all over the place. But that's a way you can get referrals, because this is something that the audience for these kind of opportunities, more likely they're on this site, and they're looking for something like this, because see, this is a pay to click site too. So this is a good place to advertise because the audience is already looking for a pay to click site. So this is where you don't have to search for no audience. You already have an audience right here, and here's another site you could come to. This is called BTC Clicks, and this is even cheaper, but you have to have Bitcoin. And AirHits you can use your credit card, but this you have to have Bitcoin. And basically it's the same thing. Put your ad in, and I think 1,000 clicks is like $1.50 in USD. That'll be this right here. So you can, for 1,000 clicks, you can spend about $1.50 in Bitcoin. So these are two sites. I'll leave both links in the description. If you wanna go over here and check this out and start getting some eyeballs on your MyAdsUp. And that's basically it for the video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll leave the links for MyAdsUp. I'll leave the link for AirHits, and I'll leave the link for BTC Clicks in the description, so you can go down there and you can click that, sign up, and go ahead and start getting some eyeballs on your business. Like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.